Hello students, now in this session of video we will discuss class 9th maths exercise 7.1 and we have question number 5. In this question number 5, first of all we will see what we have given. L is a bisector of angle, the line L is a bisector of angle A. Bisector means this angle is equal to this, 1 is equal to 2, clear? And BP is perpendicular, so it means it is 90 degree, it is also 90 degree, clear? In solution, first of all we have to prove that the APB is congruent to AQB, clear? So what we have to prove? APB is equal to congruent to AQB, okay? In solution, so just look at that triangle. In triangle APB and triangle AQB, in triangle APB and AQB, what we have? Just look at that angle QAB is equal to angle BAP. So I am already marked them. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. You must have to write the reason given that these are the given, or we can say also bisector of angle A. So bisector angles are equal. Okay, now the second thing we have to find out what? The second thing is that this angle P is equal to angle Q. The angle P is equal to angle Q. Why? The reason is each 90. And AB is equal to AB. AB is a common side both triangle. So we can say common side. Okay, so what we have? Angle and side. So we can say triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB by angle side. Once we prove that these triangles are congruent, in second part very easy to solve that. We can write BP is equal to BQ and the reason is that CP CT. Okay. Now next move to the next question, question number 6. In question number 6, first of all we will write given. So it is mandatory to write down a given to prove and prove. So in this we have given AB is equal to AD, clear? And AC is equal to AE. Also we have given angle BAD. Angle BAD is equal to angle CAE. Okay. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that BC is equal to prove BC is equal to DE. Okay. So now we will take BC is a side of this triangle ABC. Proof. In triangle ABC and triangle. Second, what we have to ADE, triangle ABC and ADE. So now in triangle ABC and ADE, what we have to prove? We have to prove these two triangles first of all congruent. So AB is equal to AD, given. AB is the side of this triangle and AD is side of this triangle, clear? Second, AC is equal to AE, also given. Okay. Third thing is that this angle, we can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So we can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So if this is common angle and common angle is added both of them, so this complete angle must be equal to this angle. Clear? 1 is equal to 2 if 3 is added both of them. So what in 3 added, BAC is equal to DAE 3 को दोनों में ऐड कर देंगे तो ये आपका कंप्लीट एंगल बन जाएगा. So now it is completed. So we have this and it can be written as three things. So this is already given and this equal to this. So we can say triangle ABC equal and congruent to ADE. If these two triangles are equal, so we can easily say BC is equal to DE by CP CT.